cinched across the top, brought around the boat, and then cinched right there. And the same thing right there.
Then he fucking drowned.
Cinched around there.
Are you moving that?
Yeah, and moved.
Is that going on the U-tubes?
No. And then right around the J thing. Alright. The other one is cinched around the bar. And then it goes over the boat and is cinched on the bar. This goes through here, which is a little sketchy tie if you ask me. And then our friend Lisa did that, and then it's like there, and we're
Can I
gonna
just
leave
say
that.
I offer my communion for her?
That's good. This one's there. It just goes right up to that. There's that.
I figured she needed it more than me.
And then there's that.
Ah, that helps my breasts.
And somehow there's something right there. I guess that counts.
That's for this for the cover.
Oh, gotcha.
That's the cover, don't go flying off.
Yeah, that makes good sense. Okay, and then the Old Town does not have anything to tie on in the back, I guess. So, well, we could have used this. They just left it. So there you have it. That's the tie down situation. Bye.
Your brand's called Mrs.